In this video, I'll show you how to set up catalog sales ads in Meta Ads Manager. First, sign in to your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click Create to start a new campaign and choose the sales objective. Next, continue through the campaign setup and move to the ad set level. Select your product catalog, then choose the product set you want to promote. Make sure your catalog is connected and up to date before continuing. After that, configure your audience, budget, schedule, placements, and optimization settings. You can target a broad audience or use custom and lookalike audiences based on your campaign goals. Now move to the ad level and select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Customize your ad by adding your primary text, headline, description, and call to action. Meta will automatically display products from your selected catalog to eligible customers. Finally, review all of your campaign settings and click Publish. Once your campaign is approved, monitor its performance in Ads Manager and optimize your audience, budget, or creative as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up catalog sales ads in Meta Ads Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.